कर्नाटक की बात आपको बताएं, कर्नाटक से एक बड़ी चिंता भरी खबर सामने आ रही है। राज्य के फॉरेंसिक साइंस लैब में डीएनए टेस्ट सहित बलात्कार, हत्या और ड्रग्स जैसे करीब 35,000 मामलों के सैंपल्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स लंबित पड़े हुए हैं। अब बेंगलुरु स्थित FSFL ने कर्नाटक हाई कोर्ट में अर्जी दायर कर इन टेस्ट को जल्द से जल्द करने के लिए वैकेंसी को भरने की अपील की है। इस समय कुल 31 जिले में केवल 6 फॉरेंसिक लैब हैं। यहां तक कि इन लैब्स में कर्मचारियों की भारी कमी है। 488 स्वीकृत पदों में से केवल 168 पर ही जो कर्मचारी हैं वो कार्यरत हैं। आपको ये भी बता दें कि राज्य में फॉरेंसिक लैब की कमी पर मिरर नाउ ने राज्य के गृह मंत्री बसवराज बोम्मई से भी सवाल किया। जानिए क्या कहना है उनका।
Policy matters there, not outside. There are certain rules.
But FSL labs are in very bad condition right now.
I don't want to say anything now. I'll say everything in Vidhan Sauda when the session is on.
So, but this has nothing to do with the session, sir.
It is a session. It is a stated public thing.
The hearing is coming up day after tomorrow. So, nearly 38,000 samples are pending in front of FSL labs, sir. What's your reaction to it? You're reacting to CD but not FSL labs.
See, we have already stated in the budget, and we are going to take action for regional FSL labs. And that's a policy matter. All the details will be done on the floor of the House.
Thank you, sir.
और मिरर नाउ ने फॉरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट दिनेश राव से भी इस पर बातचीत की और उन्होंने माना कि कर्नाटक में फॉरेंसिक साइंस लैब की भारी कमी है। राज्य के रिटायर जज ने भी इस बात को लेकर चिंता व्यक्त करते हुए कहा कि ज्यादातर मामलों में पुलिस सैंपल को बचा कर नहीं रख पाती। आइए सुनते हैं क्या कहा उन्होंने।
The forensic medicine or the forensic pathology section itself is not there in the forensic lab. This is very much unfortunate. And this is, of course, is against the protocol. So all these things are very important. The government, it's high time, the government has to consider this, apart from the infrastructure and facilities, recruitment of the staff. So, and this particular exercise definitely, which helps the regional centers, thereby decreasing the load to the state center. So this is what the government has to take measures at the earliest possible time, and this is how we can assure the justice delivery at the right time.
और चलिए इस पर और ज्यादा जानकारी लेते हैं। हमारी सहयोगी श्रीजा इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़े। श्रीजा, इट्स अ मेजर कंसर्न emerging from the Karnataka. What else you can tell us?
Well, it is shocking to understand that even the Karnataka High Court did, of course, note and come down heavily on the state government by saying that the criminal justice system is crippled only due to the delay in FSL reports. Now, some of the FSL reports, as far as with regard to some of the most important cases, for example, like rape, murder, dowry harassment, and all of these such cases, we understand they take nearly about 3 to 4 years where the FSL report needs to be furnished right before the court. Now, of course, there are certain important things to be also noted. As far as Karnataka is concerned, we have about 31 districts, but in the state of Karnataka, there is just 6 forensic science labs. This includes one here in Bengaluru. Now, speaking to Home Minister Basuvaraj Bommai, he, of course, did tell us that they are planning to set up basic FSL labs across the state of Karnataka. Now, that means we need to have at least about 30 to 31 FSL labs. Even speaking to forensic science experts, they also tell us that such kind of infrastructure should be equipped, and also the number of cases that's been handled by the Karnataka police is also at a huge number, which is why it requires for more FSL labs. Now, some of the most important points to be noted over here, nearly 36,000 samples are still pending at these 6 FSL labs. Now, these samples are related to at least about 7,000 cases. As far as the DNA samples are also concerned, with regard to nearly over 1,000 cases, at least about 2 to 3,000 samples are still pending for testing right before the FSL labs. For example, if you're looking at narcotics as well, there are at least over 4,000 cases that have been registered, to which nearly 9,000 samples are pending. Also, speaking to FSL director, which they have filed already an affidavit just on Monday, we also hear that they are planning to recruit more people as far as in in the FSL labs are concerned, and 2 more FSL labs are in the pipeline which will be set up in the state of Karnataka. Back to you.
राइट, श्रीजा, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।